just explain, if you will allow me to finish. There is
What-
no
what?
explicit provision in the law calling for restitution. However, there is a memorandum of agreement whereby terms and conditions can be stated therein. And if there is agreement as to restitution,
Alam mo, yung
the same can
memorandum
be
of
included.
agreement, hindi siya kasamang restitution. Paano yung kay Diskaya? Pinipilit ninyo na mag-restitute. Sabi niya, ewan ko kung pinag-usapan ninyo. What did they tell you, Mr. Diskaya?
Your Honor, kung magkano po ang i-restitute po muna namin.
Oh, ano sabi nila? Magkano daw?
Ako po, hindi ko po masabi kung magkano po. Kasi para sa akin po, parang kami po ang nanakawan. Parang ibig sabihin, parang modern day na pagnanakaw. Ibig sabihin, yung nakaw ba? Siya pa ang magbibigay ng pera dun sa ninakawan niya? Parang ganun po.
Sabi niya kanina, it's a disagreement between the applicant and the DOJ. Did you agree that you will restitute any money to the DOJ?
Wala po pang maibibigay po. At saka...
Yun na nga, because wala kang maibigay, hindi kanya ipoprocess under the Witness Protection Program. Is that not correct?
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor, kung...
Mr. Chair, paano to? Ito si Mr. Diskaya, he was the first, tsaka yung asawa niya who applied under the WPP. The problem is, ang sabi ng dating DOJ Secretary, hindi, kinakailangan isoli muna yung mga pinagnanakaw. Hindi po pwedeng ganun-ganun lang. Paano ngayon siya mapuprocess if that was dangled?
Sumailalim sa restitution program as proof na fully cooperating sila sa mga otoridad at wala silang itatago. That they are not the most guilty and at the very least, gusto nilang isole as part of compensation para naman sa, parang konsolasyon na lang yan sa mga tao na magsusoli sila ng milyones na kanilang nanakaw.